So today I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel. We're going to delete everything, comments, videos, all that stuff. And welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. So let's share my screen here with one of my channels that I don't use that much anymore, and let's do it. So you're going to come to your main page, you're going to go to your icon, you're going to type here YouTube Studio. You're going to go all the way to the left, a little bit down, and you're going to go here into settings. From there, you're going to go into channel, you're going to go to advanced settings. You're going to go a little bit down and you're going to type right here where it says remove YouTube content. It's actually going to bring you into another screen where you're going to have to put your password and all that. You're going to click next. And here you're going to have two different choices, guys. You're going to have a choice to hide my content and you're going to have a choice of I want to permanent delete my content. So you're going to click right there. And now it's going to give you kind of like a disclaimer, right? It's going to say this will permanent delete the YouTube data associated to your channel. The following will be permanent deleted. All your videos, it actually gives you a count, 29 videos, 4 playlists, 24 subscriptions, 354 subscribers, comments, your reply, your YouTube gift settings, and your YouTube search and history. Pretty much everything. Also, as you click those boxes, it says any paid subscriptions that you own, for example, YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, channel memberships will be canceled, but you will still have access into the end of the billing cycle. So pretty much everything will be deleted. Obviously, I'm not going to delete this channel because I don't want this to be deleted, but here's how you do it. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.